Hello and welcome to The Millennial Mom, your own podcast about the highs and lows of parenting in India. I'm Pooja.
And I'm Shruti.
And we are a pair of millennial mothers. We are here to share our stories, our experiences, our wins and fails in this journey of parenting.
Unlike other parenting content, our podcast will be less of gyan and more like a conversation between two friends who just happen to be mothers.
We also know that most of you are busy parents, so we would like to keep it short.
So maybe just grab a cup of coffee, sit back and relax.
Hi Shruti, welcome back. How was your vacation? घर गए थे ना?
मजे किए यूजुअल बट देन इस बार मुझे मेरे बच्चे को मैनेज करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा था.
ऐसा क्यों? क्या हो गया?
I was trying to do something with my kid and they were like simply not
Listening
getting
to you.
along. Yeah.
Okay. ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
अरे basically ना I was getting my child into the habit of eating himself.
Okay.
Because school में काम आएगा and all.
हाँ.
But then my parents are like नहीं यार इतने से टाइम के लिए आए हो हम लोग खिला देंगे.
Yes, of course. स्कूल में तो अकेला ही खाएगा.
Right.
तो what did you do, Shruti? कैसे मैनेज किया?
The thing was all this was happening in front of my kid. And I did not want a clash there. Like okay, आप खिला दो आज. And after everything was done and he was doing something else, I took my parents aside and I told them कि अभी खिला दिया ठीक है, but I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to get into an habit and that takes time.
Correct.
So you have to help me out here.
If I were you, I would have
Yeah.
just ignored the whole thing. But it's important to have that conversation.
मतलब there is a purpose behind this.
Exactly. क्यों बोल रही है?
Yeah.
क्यों बोल रही है?
Help him eat by himself.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Even if it's just you and your spouse, obviously there will be a difference of opinion.
Yeah.
And instead of ignoring it or just brushing it under the carpet, good to talk about it.
कितनी बार ऐसा होता है ना बात करते करते we realize something and we are going to realize सामने वाला ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है.
This is what it is.
Yeah.
And it could be another easier way to reach the same destination also.
Maybe. Kids feel more comfortable with their grandparents, and it's also always good to have many people around the kids. They learn many things and
Absolutely.
all. But ये difference of opinion, it depends कि how much it is happening and how many times are we facing that. कभी ऐसे होता है कि spouse के साथ हमारा अलग हो जाता है कि वो बोलेंगे कि कुछ करो हम कुछ और सोच रहे थे. It is
Yes, of course.
yeah.
But problem क्या है ना, इस situation में the child becomes confused.
Exactly. It is so important for everybody around the child to be on the same page.
तो ground rules होने चाहिए.
Yeah.
Everything is not set in stone or black and white. There are leeways all around and child also knows that.
Yeah.
But वो कितना leeway लेना है, कहाँ पे लेना है, कहाँ
Exactly.
नहीं लेना है, that becomes very difficult for the child
Yeah.
to really understand. मम्मी मना कर रही है but grandmother is okay with it, so me do
Yeah.
this instead.
Yeah.
It's very difficult then to put a discipline or routine around
Yeah.
a child, right?
Yeah. And also that करना वही है जो finally बच्चे के लिए सही है.
और हमें लगता है सही है. When there is a difference of opinion, we tend to avoid the situation.
Yeah.
We feel कि अच्छा शायद उन्हें बुरा लगेगा, so let it be, let it.
Really, this is a very big challenge that I think all the parents face. कि यार ये करूंगी तो उसको बुरा लग जाएगा.
But what happens in this situation is, while you're avoiding the conflict, your bigger responsibility is towards your child.
Yeah.
Rather than trying to please everyone. The funny thing is that end में सभी दुखी होते हैं.
Exactly.
तो better है to have that marker कि I will do what is right, what I feel is right. We should be clear first of all, so that we can give that clarity to our children also.
Yeah. Nothing is written on stone. We have to find a way out.
हाँ.
And basically क्या है यार blindly कुछ करना नहीं है. We have to take a call and we have to judge the situation and do it. There are many people who say कि you're putting too much, you're overthinking it. Just go with the flow. वैसे सब बातें बोलते हैं.
नहीं यार, it's a big responsibility.
Yeah.
You can't really go with the flow.
Yeah.
And
that changed drastically.
Yeah. Even within your apartment, there could be something different which you have to address.
Yeah.
It could be safety identity issues, it could be social issues. Like first of all, be aware, be conscious कि क्या हो रहा है आपके चारों तरफ. Good to take advice.
Yeah, final call should be ours.
इतना एडवाइस भी नहीं लेना है कि एनालिसिस पैरालिसिस में ही फंस गए. इतना टाइम नहीं है. We have to take decisions.
Yeah.
And we have to run with it कि गलत हो सकता है. But at least confusion नहीं रहेगा, clarity रहेगा.
That is what we are doing, right? We are trying to figure out parenting.
Yes. No, hear from our
listeners.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think
हम लोग को बहुत सारे और advices और knacks मिलेंगे actually to deal with this situation.
Yes. So with that, we come to the section where we share our wins and fails in this journey of parenting. Shruti, I think you have something for us.
This is a major fail, okay? Recently, it was my kid's birthday. And I was stuck in a situation कि कितने बच्चों को बुलाना है, कितनों को नहीं बुलाना है, because there were too many. So I decided to go with the younger section.
Okay. तो करनी पड़ेगी.
And the place where we had the party, it is accessible. Yeah, it is accessible. So I was already in a situation कि oh God, वो बड़े बच्चे लोग अगर उनको पता चला, तो what do I do?
Yes.
And my kid,
वो सबको जाके बुला होगा.
आज मेरा बर्थडे है और बर्थडे पार्टी हो रही है, सब लोग आ जाओ. बड़े बच्चे थोड़े समझदार हैं. They did not come inside as such. They got to know कि okay इसका बर्थडे है and they just peeped and they went back. Okay. And I felt really bad. Max to max what I could do was I just distributed some starters and some juice drinks or something.
Oh yeah, why are you embarrassed? I think the kids must be happy with the starters and whatever you handed them over.
Yeah.
वो उतने में ही खुश हो गए होंगे.
तो मैं तो अभी इतनी embarrassed हो गई हूँ कि सोच रही हूँ कि अगली बार बर्थडे पार्टी रखूँ कि नहीं.
I hope you figure it out by the time the next birthday comes by.
I have to ask my child. बच्चा करना क्या है तू पहले से बता दे.
Absolutely. So that is it for today. As we said, we like to keep it short and sweet. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode of The Millennial Ma. We hope you had fun.
If you like what you heard, please rate us and follow us on the platform of your choice. Please share it with your friends and family. And if you want to reach us, we have shared the links in the show notes.
Until next time we meet, goodbye and take care.